there or big difference in what y'all waiting at today?
Right. We try to send a message every time we come out on the field. We had moved on from Florida, but that was also one we kind of spoke a little bit about today, just as far as our ego and our pride, and just kind of how we really just didn't execute last week, and we felt like, hey man, if we start out fast and we execute, we're a hard team to beat. So we touched a little bit about starting fast compared to last week, and also just kind of answering the bell. We just didn't do a very good job at all across the board last week, and we caught some heat, we caught some flack, and everybody in this building kind of caught some crap, but it just kind of speaks measurement to this team being able to answer and put up 63 points is awesome.
How excited are you to finally play in front of a true home crowd next week? It's been quite a while now.
Yeah, I think it's been like 42 days or something like that, not to be exact, but it feels good. I think it just feels good to see everybody kind of coming back together, your whole team, your whole backfield, everyone's getting healthy, we're getting Tom back, and then, we're playing back at home. So obviously we know the stakes of next week, and it's awesome. We're going to be at home, and don't know what time the game is, but I hope our crowd will show up and get real rowdy.
Now that Todd is coming back and Sony back, do you sense there'll be some momentum now built on the fact that you're going to have a full backfield again?
Yeah, I can imagine how hard it is to just kind of game plan for that. It kind of allows us to do more where we can put, Sony in the slot, or we can put Isaiah back in the slot. It allows us to be a little more complex, which, Auburn probably hasn't seen on film from that in a while, because, we've only had really Chubb, and you can't play Chubb everywhere. So I think it allows us to put one guy in the backfield and then put another guy in the slot and get all those guys on the field at one time, which only makes us harder to stop.
Appreciate it.
Again, the offense is very reminiscent of the Arkansas game. Y'all started so quickly, and y'all were able to do that, and everybody kind of relaxed just a little bit. I know y'all weren't overconfident, but just to get that.
Yeah, I think anytime you start fast, it gives you a lot of momentum. That was one thing we kind of figured out about ourselves this year, is when we start fast, we're a hard team to just beat. Whether that's momentum or confidence, the defense kind of seems to play better when we're playing better, and it just seems like everything starts to click when we start fast. So, we just kind of emphasize today, man, let's get going. We're hard to beat when we start out fast, and again, it showed today.
How important for this week? Because a lot of people are going to say this is Nick Marshall coming back to Athens, and you've got that storyline to deal with all week. Are you kind of
I'll leave that to y'all to talk about. This really to us is just SEC championship on the line. That's really what it's about, and no other garbage. Just lay it all out on the line, and it's what it's about. You come to Georgia for an awesome home game like this, and play in front of a crowd, and to think about what's going to be on the line is awesome.
Do y'all have any relationship